Wow, Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TV GH so what frame Adorye searching.
Nobody is even asking Hopeson Adorye to come into the NPP.
So he says he will never,
because he's not part of the,
never come back to the NPP.
The amnesty. He's not part.
Of course, and they would have to reapply.
Yes,
you know,
nobody is even invited.
Because they left, they were not suspended.
So you see, we should put it on record.
Yes,
nobody, in fact, the NPP doesn't expect Hopeson Adorye to come back. You see, in a group, you would want people who are bringing positive energy. If you have Star FM, okay, an organization like this, and you have one of your staff leave, and your staff after leaving is always bad mouthing you, would you ever want the staff back?
Not at all.
Exactly. You would want a team that is pursuing a common agenda. I don't think there's anybody in NPP
and
that
very
would
professional
want,
enough.
Yes, I don't think there's anybody in NPP right now that will say that we want Hopeson back.
Really?
No, why?
But political parties, it's about the numbers.
Positive numbers.
Really?
Otherwise,
so in politics, you are dealing with positive numbers and negative numbers?
No, positive
miracles
numbers.
Abuaje?
Yeah, positive numbers only.
Really?
No politician would want a negative. Do you know what one negative energy can do to? One negative energy can disrupt thousands of your people.
No, don't forget that when he comes back, there are other people who are very, very linked to him. So it's not just that individual perhaps you are looking at, but his mother, possibly his wife, his children. They may all tilt towards the NPP.
If you come and you disrupt it, then we thank you. Don't come.
So you don't need Adorye
if you
back again in the NPP.
And you disrupt it. If you come and disrupt it, then we thank you. Don't come.
So you don't need him. Solomon Wusu and Co. You don't need them.
You listen to what I'm telling you. If you would come and disrupt it, first of all, let me put it on record. They are not part of the amnesty.
Of course, they left, you know,
yes, they
on
have
their
to
own.
Apply. So they should even pray that when they apply and the application is vetted, they will be accepted. Because on your acceptance, it will be based on your contribution that you are bringing on board. But if you make commentary like this and you disrespect the political party in this manner, why do you think you even deserve to even apply in the first place to such a political party? You don't do that to any organization that you've ever been part of. You don't do that. You don't leave an organization that you've been part of and disrespect it in the manner in which he is disrespecting the party. No, we thank you.
Enya Juma. Enya anke ye dia bosume wo wiase ni na baburu ne nua no so ya amomra meche yanko se we sembe se yanko chirem. Ye ne yanko ka so obi metwa ne ti. Ene yanko ka se bi obi kwatwituo di abo no. Me de bia amasem ameka ne se John Mahama wu obewu no eyo no ane bone ne niam a waye ne ebre no so ebeku no enye obi na betwituo obi betwese kan so odi koku Mahama bone eso akatua ene owuo na dollar yenya bi ntone ne yankoto plane there be dollar ne yenya bi po so se yankoto plane there be ento oso kofuru bi John Mahama per your own statement, o stay private jet where you should be good. Into yesrew, kotena the same private jet. And that day I would call you the first hour, ye de chow. John Dramani Mahama, ye de chow. And then Yamea Domoswa. For more person, a free now call flight away, a down romanti. I went to be a John Mahama, but to be a the baby or back on the hotel, you're better than Ababa to a bonting and your bonnet. Mr. Free could at our block. This is security agencies now more copy monitor videos. No, say Yan Sambu Mutrimnas and Yamitimudia, Mr. Yenina Yesia. At Emidia ye, Yesu free Kevin Taylor ho. Abbe you somewhere na ye done a day, Yesu free Sam George, and you could at our blocker, Captain Mahama Dano, one more bay sem and Yesuya. Bay you borrow some Captain Smart no more bra, one more boy, and no have been a year and a half. Yes, Remo. We are near Yibia. So what you say? Aha. The way I see here another time, no, the same way yes, we are na. Pepe. Aha. Ana mankani. Oh, there be mekani. Ana say no. There be airline the ya mama Haman na airline fufuro. There be what the bojo ya engineer me nsa ba ko pe na abo aka me no tumi di tukwan. We ne de ye ja na ma ne de ko. We ne de ye on fan ko. What you say? Na mbom efri neko John Mahama na kwanti obi obetu bia Esramo we no men kan brofu mu kra no bi men kan brofu. People, today is the day we declare any travel President Mahama travel abroad, we people put out information. Why? Yes, we give information out. It's not a problem. Court no catch. Yeah. So anytime John Mahama and Aisha to Bawa, when they decide to travel in anywhere, when we call Lome, we call Bokino, plane to Yani as yet the abeto, time we be doing na de mamo, na se mumu bi wan krebi de momo. Moswa sebe mo pesa mo de banche, any idea mabusu afo to be mremo no mon kan kire yen, na yentumi mamu hu plane no, time Mahama betu. Mashia na airport na maje mabu emu ade mo amopa adwene ne ade se do Mahama dawrumenti wo tu a yebehu time wo betu obedu so a yebehu time wo bedu wo free wa hotel yo beda yebehu ni nyina enye bone misua free okuja to ablok aho muntie Mahama biyo yanko
of the president and other leading officials must come to an end.
Yo yate.
It is an unpardonable show of disrespect and insensitivity to the plight of the suffering of the mass of millions of Ghanaian citizens spent on renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time spent on renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana has a fully fitted and airworthy executive
presidential jet. One more say, Mama, why Mama, why one more man, obey that way. So what's now my kwasi ampa for philosophy achenom to statement ma opening toto as a president ya wedi president da na power nti wan godwunim na we ya wanim dwosan se wo bi asabe wanum burukutuma na hye na fu ebegina kan kwasi asem se ya wo fully fitted a fully airworthy airplane Mahame and the fully worthy airplane is still there. You have to use that. This one we dey the achew we need the cobra me na maka kire o se mempai boni se ubedi ye and the baby ameka because who failure ye baba ka aduma ne be ye den more they said the ujama ye first ya ye be kon ya etumi pegesi baby no nti at least e otumi ko ni ye kakrama ya ye ba aduma e wo ho no endorse bibiri sa so ati ase enu nti yeso ye de kokobo e de to o se said ye okudatu abrokwa ye no president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo time no sa pepepe na ne yenso ye ba be ye bie John Mahama plane no 2 ya ne car watimpa license plate ni na ye beguo ye nja ba akokora wo kwa aduane a ye de be ma no muso amwo abrochire a mo pesa mo di force bail e ma ne no se Mahama o tu afre abrochire a ye be hu plane a wo use ye de be tuga odo ne ama akokora no ma ne de abre wabusuafo ye du airport ya na waje aban papa ba abanya president na tumije wa mana de brewo de na kire sa aban no editwam ebi currency da enti yesra mo mo pese mo hu ba bi Adwo Mahama wo tu kwan ko nyina no ye de beba page ne ye flight aware plane bi etu wiase airport bi a wo ba ma plane ye tu se hye he wo tu ya ye register ko so nam airspace ni mu no ntimi sa na ye be ye no wonyame ya adom a yeso obekọ China China no so no ye de no so de ebe den ebeto ebi o sa na ebe ye no se de ebe ne sa utie papa nyehwe a bone nyehwe ye pagana for chew yesremo sebe Nana Addo oye nipa sebe Nana Addo ono so ye wo no wabusua yesremo dia mo ye papa ya no se edian ko edian wo dia sa wo
ha NGC aban entro akohwie wagadre frakadam 419 settings krokro de John adanko da Adorye aban ene enya na Ghana ha tse ayasa wɔn goodwill na wɔn nyae no ɛtu ti sɛ deɛ wɔabie aduane so ne ntutuo efiri mu kɔ no vapor ɛkɔ fast because gidi a ne nipa wɔ wɔn mu sɛ wɔn bɛyɛ biribi no wɔn ahunu sɛ yes wei deɛ yɛatwe yɛ kɔn paa dan egodon asɛm ɔkan no sɛ yɛatwe sika ne twa yɛ kɔn ɛna kɔn no si so ɛna yɛntumi nka hwee ɛnti wotumi sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so ɛyɛ wɔn adisifoɔ no ankasa koraa bi ya ɛne wɔn yɛto abɛti akufo ado ɛne ɛgbaomia ɛyɛ wɔn ya but anim guaseɛ ne aniwuo nti obi yɛntumi nka ɛna hyehyɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛ ho ɛna ayɛ sɛ kunatiri mu no bɛrima bi awuo na mmaa bi guaseɛ su yayaya wɔn ntumi enyi wɔn anim sɛ wɔn yɛ kunafoɔ na wɔn di kunatiri mu ebi na ato sese Ghanafoɔ no yɛnu yɛn ho but yɛntumi nka ɛna hyehyɛ yɛn ntoma mu ɛna ɛwi yɛn na deɛ ya ɛwɔ NDC mu ɛna okogye twa black a n'ani nwu asɛm na wɔnam hɔ ɔbɛma na bɛti so sɛ wɔyɛ